Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I'm going to blend these Irresistible Me clip-in extensions into my natural hair. I was contacted by Irresistible Me to review their clip-in extensions. So I chose the color Natural Black. It's actually a 1B, and they worked perfectly with my hair. Here, I'm just opening up the box to show you how it comes packaged. What I like about it is you have a little sample or a little piece of the extension that comes in a separate section that you can try out to see if it works for you. And if it doesn't, you could actually send it back without having to open or break the seal of the full set of extensions. So that works out really good if things don't work out for you. But everything worked out perfectly for me. So yeah, I'm just showing you the little sample that you could try, to see if it blends or the color matches or whatever. And it has, of course, the clip on it where you clip it into your hair. So now we're going to take a look at the actual set of extensions. As you can see, it comes in the net and they're all tied together and everything, standard packaging. And so I'm just going to remove the net and show you how pretty the texture and how silky the hair is. It's really, really, really pretty. And again, I have the 16-inch set, and here are all the pieces to the set. You get 8 pieces in this particular set. And I'll have all the information and the links below if you want to check them out. Okay, so here we are. My daughter is actually doing it for me so you guys can get a really good look at how I blended it. I'm natural. I've been natural for, 8 years or so now. Gosh, it's been a minute. But anyway, if you're wondering, you can blend in like silky straight extensions. You just have to know how to straighten your hair. So my daughter used heat protectant and flat ironed my hair, and she took small sections and used sort of a moderate heat. The flat iron, should I say, was set on 380. I have an adjustable temp flat iron, so 380 somewhere in there. You have to know your hair and know, I guess your heat tolerance or whatever. So I could take a fair amount of heat, and so right here she's doing the chase method or whatever, and as you can see, there's my natural all shiny and silky and blending with the extensions that she's already applied. So you can wear silky extensions with natural hair. I just did an initial wash and blow dry, and then she used, like I said, a heat protectant and flat ironed my hair. And I love these extensions because when my hair is straight, or when I had it permed, it's fine. It has a very fine texture, and I have a low density hair. So the extensions really give some fullness to my hair. So I really enjoyed wearing these. I kept them in for a couple days, slept in them, had no problem or whatever. But I get bored easy, so I like to change my hairstyles and stuff like that. But they worked out really, really good. And as you can see, my natural hair is, I want to say, probably about 14 inches. So it blended really nicely with the 16-inch extensions. And as you can see, there it is. And she's going to, kind of give you an idea how they blend. As you can see, they blend really nicely. They lay really flat against the hairline, or the scalp, should I say. And like I said, they blend it perfectly. And right here, she's giving me a little trim because I needed a little, I guess, cleanup on the ends. And that's important, when you're getting your hair done or whatever, to make sure your ends and stuff are good, because if you have split ends, they'll move up the shaft and cause breakage and things like that. So I was getting an all-in-one when applying these clip-ins. So yeah. And these extensions curl beautifully. They straighten beautifully. Of course, it's human hair, so you could dye it, treat it just like it was, or they, should I say. It's part of your natural hair, or your, real hair. So I really, really enjoyed these. I kind of worried about how they would blend, but to my surprise, they worked out really nicely. Now here she's applying one of the clip-ins, and they're super easy to install, as you can see. And she's just snapping it into place. And they're not moving, as you can see. And I just want to thank Irresistible Me for giving me the opportunity to review these clip-ins. Like I said, really enjoyed them. And again, I'll post all the information and the links to these clip-ins down below so you guys can check it out. And yeah, stay tuned for pics. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.